This isn't a conference. This is an experience. I'm Victoria, and we created the aesthetic experience for professionals in the aesthetics industry who are ready to actually grow and not just sit in another crowded ballroom. This isn't a trade show, it's a community. A place where you can truly learn, grow, and connect with like-minded providers who understand what it takes to build a real business in this space. You'll hear from top industry professionals speaking on topics that are actually relevant to you and your business, like how to create a premium brand, the foundations of acne and ingredient knowledge, and how to leverage social media and strategic business systems to scale to 6 figures and beyond. This exclusive first-of-its-kind event at Hotel Valley Ho in Scottsdale, Arizona is going to change the way we grow in this industry forever. This is a space to connect, to collaborate, and to finally find the community you've been searching for. Lunch and dinner are included, and to wrap up the day, we'll celebrate all the growth and connections we've made with a live DJ and dancing. Invest in yourself and in the lifelong relationships and business growth this experience will bring. Buy your ticket now and reserve your place at the most impactful event for professionals in the aesthetics industry.